This week, a vlogging problem lots of us face. I haven't got a glorious office or a beautiful home to do my vlog from, so how am I going to solve that problem? AI is going to solve it for you. To demonstrate today, I'm filming my vlog from my toilet. This is really me, not avataring it. I'm sitting on the loo, the camera set up in the shower. You can see the window, the cleaning products, and maybe the bathroom cabinet. Okay, not a great location, but let's see if we can make this work with AI, and we're going to use Canva for this. Okay, let's dive in. Let's start a video project. And then I've uploaded the pictures from the bathroom scene, and I'm going to drop that into the video folder. Then just hit remove background and go make a cup of tea while that happens. And there it is. Bathroom's gone. Just need a background now. So I've searched in the photo library for a nice techie background. I'm using a photo because videos tend to be very short and it'll just freeze anyway. I've just got to right click now and select set image as background. And there we have it. I've got to resize the video a bit because the picture's a bit bigger, but that's easy done. So let's export and have a look. Well, here's the result. And I think that's pretty good. A pretty good location for a vlog. In a few clicks, we've gone from the bathroom to the studio. If you want to learn how to do this, lots of other tips about how AI can help your production process, help you get online with content. Have a look at our other YouTube videos or come on one of our courses. We do face-to-face courses in this kind of thing. In South Wales, we're going to be introducing some online courses soon. I hope to see you at one of them. Meanwhile, please like and subscribe this video. It makes such a difference. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.